Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Excel vs R full comparison. Start by assessing your project needs and available tools before choosing a workflow. I will highlight core differences in data handling, visualization, automation, and collaboration so you can match tool strengths to real tasks. Expect practical examples and straightforward criteria to decide when to use a spreadsheet or when to switch to a scripted environment for better scale and reproducibility. When comparing data handling in Excel versus R, think about scale and repeatability for your workflows. Excel shines for quick edits and small tables, while R scales to large datasets and automates repeat cleansing tasks. I will show how to import, reshape, and validate data in each environment so you can decide which approach reduces errors and saves time during iterative analysis and reporting tasks. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and reach others who need straightforward tool advice. Quick recommendation: that new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading documentation and learning feel more relaxed during breaks from screens. I mention the product casually so you can find comfort while studying Excel versus R. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. For visualization and statistics, consider whether you need custom plots or quick charts. Excel provides fast charting and easy formatting for dashboards and presentations. R offers programmable graphics with precise control, layering, and advanced statistical visualizations for publication quality output. I will compare common chart tasks and regression workflows so you can choose the tool that balances speed, flexibility, and reproducibility for your project needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.